Ndewono. Welcome to Igbo Academy. Afambo Nwada Chioma. My name is Chioma. Today we are going to talk about atụmatụ okwu. And the atụmatụ okwu we are going to talk about today. Atụmatụ okwu, as we all know, is figures of speech. You should know that by now. Atụmatụ okwu, figures of speech. The atụmatụ okwu we are talking about today is Ntakwu. Ntakwu in English language, Ntakwu is called Soliloquy. Soliloquy. Ntakwu bụ okwu mmadụ na-ekwuru onwe ya, enweghị onye ya na ya na-ekwu. This is a figure of speech that's whereby someone talks to his or herself and is not talking to anybody. You're just talking to yourself. You're just talking to yourself. Talking to yourself. That is what is called soliloquy. Ntakwu. In Igbo, Ntakwu. In Ntakwu, you're talking to yourself. So it's just a figure of speech where one talks to his or herself. Onye na-atakwu ntakwu bụ naanị ya na-anọ ma ọ na-eme nke a. So when someone is talking to his or herself, the person talks to his or herself when the person is alone. The person is not with anybody. The person doesn't feel that anybody is listening to him or her. The person just talks on his or her own. Ọ na-eme ya ọ dị ka o nwere onye ọ na-agwa, mana ọ dịghị onye ọbụla ọ na-agwa. So when this person is talking to his or herself, it looks as if he's talking to somebody, but actually he's just talking to himself and nobody's there listening to him that he knows of or she knows of. But he's just talking to his or herself. Ọ bụ onwe ya ka ọ na-agwa. Esi na ntakwu amata ihe bụ obi mmadụ. Ọ bụrụ na o nwere ihe na-enye onye ahụ nsogbu n'uche, ihe na-anyị ya arụ na mmụọ, ihe obi ya nabataghị, ihe ọ chọrọ ime, a na-esi na ntakwu onye ahụ na-atakwu amata nke a. So if there's something that the person wants to do, or something that is troubling the person will be saying it. So it's from there that you will know what is in the person's mind. But the person doesn't know that you are listening. It is used mostly in play. Okay, n'ebe ọzọkwa, ntakwu na-apụtakarị ihe bụ na edemede ejije. So when you see it most of the time is in plays. When you just see someone, person will just come out on a stage or in a movie and just be talking to his or herself. So that is called Ntakwu. Ọmụmaatụ, let me give an example. Mụ bụ Emeka agaghị ejighị uche na ihe ahụ o tiri m. Kama m agaghị abọta ụgwọ ya, kama m kwụsị ize Emeka. O nweghị ka ihe ahụ o tiri m talara ya. Ọ bụrụ na m ewetaghị ya n'ụlọ akwụkwọ, aga m echere ya n'ụzọ. M na ya mechaa ihe na nke a, ọ mara onye m bụ. So from here, we know what is in Emeka's mind. Emeka, Uchenna has looked for his trouble, and Uchenna has beaten him, and he said that he must go on a revenge mission, that he must beat him back. If not, his name is not Emeka. He's even telling us that if he doesn't get him in the school, if he doesn't beat him in the school, that he's going to wait for him on the road and beat him. By the time he's done with him, he will know that his name is Emeka. The person is just talking on his own. Sometimes something will happen to you and you'll be like, hey, like me, hey Chioma, hi, why did you do like this now? You would have done it this way, it would have been like this. You just fall in my hand. Or you say, hey Chioma, now you did very well. Keep it up. So that's Ntakwu. I'm just talking to myself. Nobody's listening to me. I'm just talking to myself. Maybe someone is in the next room, person doesn't know I don't know that someone is in the next and the person is listening to me, or someone is coming and listening to what I'm saying. And I don't know, but I was just talking to myself. That is what is called soliloquy in English language, and in Igbo language it is called Ntakwu. That will be all about this figure of speech. Please, if you have a question, I would like you to write it down in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much, and do have a nice day. Kemesia Kodibazia.